I don't bother, man. How possible? What is that? Is it red oil? Man, this guy is crazy. Hey! Is that how he does it every day, or is for the camera? Ah! Hello, brothers. How you doing? So I just saw some kung fu cooking, yeah, in India. Man, Indians are doing the most. Yeah, let's do this, Rokodo. Okay. Hey! Oh! Ah! Okay, JK food, fast food. So those of you who have been complaining that we don't use gloves to cook at home, he is in public, and there's, as you can see, no gloves. So it's kind of making noodles, so spaghetti kind of your fast food. Nowadays in Ghana, there's a lot of these noodles and fast food in the evening on the street food, yeah, at night. And Indians, they eat a lot of this kind of food. The Bangladesh and those people. Hey. Hey. Ah. So I believe that's salt. What is that? Is that sugar? No, I'm joking. That would be curry or something, like those spices. Bell pepper, carrots, and all those stuff. Oh! Oh! Man, that's it. Oh! Ah! I don't bother, man. Man, the whole thing's on the floor. Like you're trying to car. Will he get paid for this? Man, my bottom. Ah. Man, he's serious. Like, is he doing it for the camera, or that's how he does it every day? Shino. Man, I believe he's doing it for the camera, because this is too much. So see, the whole thing that he so the noodle is now ready. Ah, with the hand. Really? Not fuck with the hand. The one that's ready. And the whole thing's on the floor. How possible? What is that? Is it red oil? Man, this guy is crazy. Hey! Is that how he does it every day, or is for the camera? Ah! Really? Cameraman, This is yours, cameraman.